Hello guys, today I'm going to depend entirely on a wheel to determine what I'm going to cook today. You love truth! Oh, that's Yo-Yo's food going off. Green. Let's open it up. Oh. Make a cake! Heat your oven to 350. Be doing a super moist German chocolate cake mix. Let's go. They never really say the first step. You need a big mixing bowl, of course, duh. All of the cake mix. Put all that in there, yep. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. All of it, every little bit. Don't miss a bit. You'll regret it if you miss some. This is why you need a big bowl, look. All of it is in there. Not a single drop outside. 1 1/4 cups of water. Is it up? Yes, it is. Wop. Vegetable oil, but all I have is coconut oil, so let's go in. Yummy. 3 scrambled eggs. 1. 2. 3. A whisk is very fancy, but you don't have to use it. Just letting you know, I'm just using it because we conveniently have one. So whisk. Add that bad boy in. Yeah, don't let anything go to waste. Also start aggressively whisking. Make sure all those ingredients blend in together very well. If you put in too much or too little, you're bound to mess up. So let's keep mixing this bad boy up. All those, get all that pudding. All that delicious pudding. In some cases you might need to add more water because the ingredient listing is not really accurate. So we're trying to get all that. Even if it moves, even if the bowl moves, it's okay, we got this. Put all cake mix in a baking pan. Sheet, I don't know, whatever. But you mostly need a pan. Make sure that's evenly spread. Yeah, boy. When you're all done, this is what it should look like. You shouldn't have too much cake batter left on here. Not me realizing my complete mess up. I didn't coat the cake pan in oil. Oven is now preheated. Yay. Alright, put this bad boy in the oven. Alright, you're set in the middle. Yeah, okay, there you go, perfect. Baking on the cake. Oh, that looks so good. Now, for the stick test. If it's dirty, it's not ready. If it's not, it is. Haha, it's ready! Not really. You gotta let it cool. Finally, it is cool enough. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Taking this out even though I didn't oil the pan. Yeah, no, this would have came out way cleaner if I... Anyway, let's decorate the cake, shall we? Looking horrendous already. Let's go. You're probably thinking, hey, why don't you just cut some layers and shape it up? Absolutely not. I'm gonna keep going. Wow. Beautiful German cake. Alright, time for the taste test. Oh, I need to get an actual piece. Don't go. Great. Isn't that cut so fancy? Okay. 10 out of 10. Tastes better than it looks. That's the frosting I used. Would do again. Even though I don't like chocolate, came out pretty well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. I am so sorry the cake turned out the way it did, but it tastes so